Today's video, we're gonna be talking about Took Son's girl, and he was cool about it.
Oh boy, this shit, bitch, I'm sipping on potions. Little bitch, I'm told in this circuit, got me gone. Send that Addy and we on over Addy, bitch, I'm zoning. Going slow motion.
All the bomb. All the bomb.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hold on, that's your rule bar. Oh, wait a minute. Yo, young boy, still nigga. Nah, hold on. Let me show y'all some shit real quick. Let me show y'all something. Watch it. Alright. Oh, chill. What you say? Young lights can't do that. You're dumb tight. Bet with my lighter. Oh shit. Hey, hold on. Wait. You finish it?
To a go on in the world, I know. You better you go to your bed.
Yo, said we some do video still in that up. Welcome back to the MANNN channel, you understand? Today with the done himself, Mr. Marbanga. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna ask you again. If I ask you again, I get vexed. Click the red button. Click the red rectangle. And click the bell beside the rectangle for me get vexed on me. Now, today you understand. Wait, you never say? Okay. Tell your
Dumbass motherfucker.
2 hours later.
Take me and say, other man. I bet. So, I know you probably read the video. You probably read the title of the video, right? Alright, first of all, nigga, I'm not doing this.
A few moments later.
Okay, thank you. Anyways, so boom, right? Pretty this. So, today's video, we're gonna be talking about Took Son's girl, and he was cool about it. Like, I ain't never seen some shit like this, bro. So, I took Son's girl, bro, and that nigga was kind of happy about it. I don't know how, bro, but the man was happy about it, brother. So, without further ado, make sure you did like the video. But me talk about me a chat about without further ado. You like the video? Bye. You like the video? Alright, boom, can go on, continue. So you know I say, yeah, that story take place in what, 7th grade. So that must have been anywhere between 2016 and 2017. So it was close to the end of the day one day, and my son, we gonna call him Norman. Yeah. My son Norman walked up to me. Goes to me and said, yo dog, I want a girl lady in a 7-1, you know. And as a matter of fact, I'm going too far into the story already. Let me like describe the school. So for those of y'all who are from the area, I went to St. Mary High School, bro. That, I'm gonna keep it above, can be one of the best places ever and one of the worst places ever, bro. Cause one, the principal, bro, all she do, bro, get on our ass for our hair length, whether or not we got a belt in, and whether or not our pants are taken in, bro. It's like, bro, calm down, bro. It's not that serious. So boom, right? So each class was set up from, there were 6 classes for each grade. So it would be 7-1 through 6, 8-1 through 6, 9-1 through 6, and so on and so forth up until 11th grade. So boom, right? I was in 7-3, alright? And my son would say, yo dog, people are going on now. I kinda like a girl in a 7-1 and a dog. She named Alexis, brother. Just like, man, I asked if we talk to her. Cause this man Norman, bro, son was fake shy, bro. Son could, I don't know if he couldn't talk to girls, bro, or whatever, but son came to the banger, came to the galaxy himself and said, yo, talk to the shorty for me real quick and just do a
Dumbass motherfucker.
Alright, bro, since my camera died, camera. So I was saying, oh, my flash is not on. I think it's looking deep in my soul. Nah, so boom, right? So 7-1 had all the shit, bro. Let me say, 7-1 had cubic. 7-2 had 1 or 2 cubes. 7-3 had some bitches. I'm not gonna lie, our class had some yelling thick, but we're not gonna talk about it. So 7-4 had to get to yelling, but like them did fun for their own. 7-5, we're not gonna talk about 7-5. 7-6 has some weirdos. Like I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key the spec class, bro. If anybody from 7-6 was watching this, bro, y'all low-key the spec class. I can't even cap. So boom, so what you know? Son walked up to me one day. She almost about to be the end of the day. So boom. Son walked up and son said, yo dog, I kinda like that one girl in 7-1, you know. I was like, swear we all like girls in 7-1. Cause me, I have my one little crush on this one girl in 7-1. I cannot lie. He knew about her, and he's telling me about this girl that he like. So I'm like, alright, bet. What you telling me this for? Nigga said, so what you know now? He said, man, I can show you the girl, brother. And tomorrow I come to school. Let's try to talk to her for me, dog. Please, let her. So I said, alright, bet. So, end the day going, and I feel like one of my teachers just being an ass. And like we was just waiting for either that or we was waiting for everybody to like cut a little bit so we all can like go. So while 7-1 is coming down, he's pointing out the girl. Me now, I see this brown skin, short, kind of fat. She's not ugly, but she's not a 10. She's at least a 7.5. And he said, yeah, I like this guy. And I was like, that girl right there? He's like, yeah. And I looked at him, I'm like, bro, you're really bugging. I said, alright, back. So I come the next day and I see him there. So what we do in the mornings before our classes start, we usually go in 7-4 class and we play games on our phones with each other, bro. So over here, I'm like, yo, G, which guy they say they like, dog? And he said, better than the light skin girl, man, I show you, dog. Bro. What? You ain't show me no light skin, girl. You show me something. Oh yeah, we back in business, bro. Alright, boom, we come up now. So watch this, right? So when this nigga told me light skin, I'm over here like, bro, what you mean light skin? You show me some brown skin girl. One said, no, dog, we never show you she, brother. And he said, watch, lunch make a point out here, dog. I said, alright, boom. So we here go to the day and lunch come and he showed me her. Now, Shorty is like a complete opposite of what I saw the day before.
Dumbass
Shorty
motherfucker.
is light skin.
Huh?
She's kind of skinny, but like she wasn't skinny, but like she was kind of like, yeah. And she was pretty tall then. I'm gonna keep it above. Son was short, bro. I don't know if Games is short right now. I haven't talked to him in a minute. But boom, so Shorty was skinny, kind of tall. At least my height back then. Cause back then I was what? At least I was 5. I think I was just touching in the 5 feet range, or just about. So, boom, I'm like, alright, bet I can do that. So, boom, right? So lunch end, and the teacher that we had after that, I'm pretty sure she was type strict, and always had a problem with us coming to class, like coming back to the classroom late, because we stayed in one classroom, and the teacher was coming to us. We had that luxury. So, boom. So I'm over here, and I'm like, alright, bet. The teacher's not here. It's my Spanish teacher too. I'm like, bet, the teacher's not here yet. Her classroom's right there. And that teacher walked down there coming from the classroom. So, boom, right? So, like, her classroom's right here, right? And the teacher walked this way to get to my classroom. So I'm like, alright, bet. I can walk into her classroom, talk to her a little bit, and then run back. Like, you know, so it looks like I was always in class. So he passed me. I was like, excuse me, miss. Can I talk to you a bit that? You know, just talking my little shit. You feel me? Go over her, I'm talking to her. I'm like, yo, son, nah, man. Like, no, man, shot, no, man, light skin, no, man, they in that 7th Street. She said, yeah. Son, no, like, what I going, like, what you doing? Like, no, I didn't tell about her yet. I'm over here asking her name, whatever. I'm getting a little shit for him. And I come back, I tell him, like, yo, bro, you told, yeah, her name, alright, bet, Alexis, whatever. Light skin, 12, 13, boom, this, that, the third. And he kept doing this for a while. So, I remember one day, I was walking with her, and my Spanish teacher saw me walking. So my Spanish teacher's like, Amari, you're not in the class and you're doing this, but she was joking with me. Cause me and my Spanish teacher were cool. Like she was strict, I'm not gonna lie, but she was cool. Cause one, I was a great Spanish student, bro. I cannot lie, I was a great Spanish student. So me and my teacher rarely had problems. I was like, just come on, let me see, I'm going.
What?
I was gonna say, yo. So like I walked into her class and I was like, yo, after school or something like that, I'll catch you later. She said, alright, bet. So I go back to the classroom now and I tell him whatever. I'm going to class. Yo, Mr. Come, calm down, sit down, relax, easy on yourself. Boom, go sit down. Then you go back. So the next day slide. And over here, and he's like, yo, bro, you been doing good lately, but I'm gonna need you to get her number for me. Huh? So I'm looking at this nigga like he's smacked. I'm like, yo, bro, if I get that number is mine. He's like, yo, just calm down, man, just easy on. You know someone to get, buddy. I'll go on to the dog. He starts panicking now. Because apparently, the boy can take anybody, bitch.
That now go up.
So, I'm over him like, yo, brother, just calm down. I drew up, man, but now not gonna take him. He's like, So lunch end, I see her, and I walk up to her, because she passed my class, and I grab her hand, and she's like, just walk, because class not done, man, can't stand up and talk, and whatnot. Such a high back. So I walk, and I put my hand around her like this, young gal, come, bro. So boom, right? So I'm over here, and I'm talking to her, I'm like, yo, y'all get the number? She said, alright. So she gave me her number. I gave her mine. I gave her number to Norman. So after that, bro, I go the next day. I said, yo, bro. So like I'm over here and I'm texting her, right? And I'm not keep spending game for my son, but I spend game for me at the same time. So like if shit goes south, boy, it doesn't look like I just did all that for him, which would make him look like a waste man and me look like a real general. But like that's not what we going for. So boom, me there, you know, I'm going easy. I'm like, yo, bro. Me and her are building more of a vibe than her and him. What if I just like ask her out? Oh my god. So here's the thing with that. Shorty was talking to this 8th grade nigga. Mind you, me in 7th grade, Shorty was talking to some 8th grade nigga, bro. Son was shorter than me, bro. I guarantee you. I was like 5. I think I was at least 4'10", bro. I was at least 4'10". Son was talking to a whole 4'7", 4'5" ass nigga, bro. I know this nigga was short, bro. And his voice that was not deep. His voice that was not getting deep. Over here, I'm like, alright. She told me that him and her just broke up or whatever. So I'm like, alright, bad. So I go and I realize that even though I'm just playing game, I don't know how to just walk up to a bitch and just say, yo, I kind of like you. I want you, whatever. But like, I know how to do it. I just didn't know how to do it at the time, bro. I just couldn't walk up to her and tell her that. So I got my son. We call son Farid, right? Because this nigga had, bro, from the side, this nigga looks like a hammerhead shark. I kid you not, bro. Son forehead said, you. So, walk up to son, say, yo, dog, you want to stay in that second class, right? Son say, yeah. Say, yo, I want to do a thing for me, dog. Man, so you mean you want to do a thing for you? Yo, tell the guys some kind of life, some kind of one turn, whatnot. And say, son say, you know what? I say, alright, boom. Through the day, my son said, me not tell her right, you know, after school, I did. He said, after school? I said, yeah. I said, alright, boom. So, after school come, and mind you, that day we did a regular routine, walk into her class, whatever, and talk, whatever, came back. So after school come now, boom, first say, yo, we're gonna meet our boss, and where I stand up to get on my bus to go home, but it's not too far from where she stand up. Like I could literally turn my head and just look at her. So I said, alright, back. So I go down, and after school, I get my little I didn't get it. So I probably got like chips or June Tong or a little candy or whatever, bro. Son Fire come now. Son Fire come say, yo, General, forward. So tell my sons at the bus stop, yo, I'm soon forward. If the bus come, call me. Him say, As a matter of fact, I told my sister. She's not my sister, but she's my sister, bro.
Already.
She's my god sister, so I call my sister. I go, and I'm like, alright, I'm about to talk to Shorty real quick. And some first said, Alexis, you all going on, and so right there, some kind of like, it's like, give me some of that chance or whatnot. And I'm over here, I'm not gonna lie, I was fake job. But the hair was low, but I had a fade. Like, I had a regular fade, but the hair was kind of low. So she's like, alright, boom. And I remember she was standing there with her best friend. Her best friend was kind of tall. So I'm like, alright, bet. So we stood there that day and we was talking till her bus came. I put her on the bus, I tell her box. So I go back over and bare niggas talking about, I'm trying to get that girl, And then they over here playing, punching niggas and shit. And I was about to like just hang with that bow and just right hand or whatever, move viral. So boom, right? I'm over here and it hits me. I'm like, bro, what man tell no man say me and the girl they know, dog? That's some sick shit. Like how you tell your man that took his girl, like which I regret doing that, cause bro, that's breaking the bull code, and even though nothing really came up from it, but I still regret doing it. So next day I go to son, bro, and I'm like, yo, dog, I gotta talk to you. He said, what you gotta talk to me about? I said, it's about Alexis, bro. And he said, what about her? I'm like, slide, talk to him private. So we talking, bro. So we got, somewhere where I can talk to him private. So just in case he starts spazzing, nobody else to hear it. But I'm saying, yo, bro, here what happened. I might have a little bit kind of caught feelings, and me and her talk. I basically said that. Kid you not? This nigga looked at me with a straight face and said, "Real up? Alright. 10 months left talking to her."
Already.
I looked at this nigga like this, like, bro, you're that ass right now, bro. You're not at least a little bit tight that like me and her talk. I said, no man, this is like perfect, dog. I can't tell me what it's like. Tell me if I'm so for nothing. Tell me if it's worth it, like what she like to do, whatever. So I just say, alright, bet, because I went better than I expected. I'm like, alright, bet. It's whatever. Go, and at this point, I'm confused. And bro, every day he comes to me and say, yo, brother, I see her from morning? I said, yeah, bro, I saw her, bro. I took her to class, bro. Whatever, bro. He's like, boom, like, or last year. I'm like, bro, you're really feeling out for this girl, bro. Like, you're really feeling out for this girl, bro. So, remember the short you tell us that she and I did that? Yeah. One day we had a house meeting, because house meetings is like, it's a thing we do for like sports, track, type shit. and me and him was in the same house. So yeah, and me and him were actually cool. Me and him are fake friends. So see him, we do this shit. This little Jamaican shit. Oh no, I'm done this spot. Anyways, we was Jamaican shit, right? I'm leaving from the house. I remember it was raining. Cause at school, bro, I kid you not, the school was built like Woodbury Commons, bro. As a matter of fact, picture right here. Like there's a picture right here of how the school set up. It's outside and like the classes are the only things with roofs on. So over here, son was walking behind me. Son said, yo dog. We call her Lexi, bro. Says, yo, so Lexi, am I back us? He said, at that time he came out, said. Basically what he said was, you know, Lexi's like, that's my girl, like that's forever, like I forever, that's Mons right there, like that's forever Mons. Basically, it's like a forever type shit. You know why we had like, word? That's what you jacking? Alright, me not taking this lightly. I'm over here, and I'm like, this nigga's chatting, whatever. But at the same time, it's sort of staying with me, and I'm over here thinking, yo, bro, what if they still do deal with each other, bro? And that would be bad, bro. That would be so ironic, bro. I took son's gal, and son gal's ex come and take gal back from me, and now me and son are just here, just like wondering what went wrong. That have been told. That was so told. So such one day, hey, I don't remember what happened, but I know went to the garbage bin and I saw one of her friends. I saw her one of her friends. So I go over here, I give her a hug, and I stand a little bit. And so he's like slide by. We won't call him JR, bro. JR slide, bro. And you know what her friend do? Her friend just put her on the spot, bro. Her friend that I said, husband and matey. Matey's basically side nigga. So the point said, wait, what do you mean husband and matey? What husband and what matey? So he put out JR and said husband. He put me and said matey. I said this shit. I said, bye-bye.
I love money, I don't love bitches.
I walked away so fast, bro. Everybody down there was dying. I was laughing too, but like everybody down there was dying. I was doing that nervous laugh. I was like, later. So now I go upstairs and I'm vexed, bro. I'm like, yo, bro, this bitch really played me, bro. And I remember lunch was ended and the bell rung. She walked by me, bro. I have a straight face on, bro. I'm tight, bro. It's like, bro, how you and son is dealing and you acting like you and son is not dealing? How you gonna do a nigga like this, bro? How you gonna do it? This is okay the first time I got played. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's like, bro, how you gonna do it like this, bro? Like, I see you introduce this cut of vibe to you whenever, and you just play me like a what, bro? So yeah, man. I go to son say, yo, bro, why ain't walking to class today? I'm like, bro, me and her don't deal no more, bro. Since the way me and her don't deal like I want me, say, man. Boy JR, dog. And you know what's crazy? A couple weeks after that happened, or wait, after I forgot what break we had. I think we had like a spring break or something, bro. After the spring break, bro, the niggas came back to school. She was gone. Either a spring break or a week or two after the whole incident happened. Shorty trade for school. Say come on. Say that flip. Yeah, man. That was story time. Understand? I'm gonna keep it above with you. If you watching this, like, and I didn't put up part 2 to the last story time, bro. Our story time is delayed because of some shit that happened with my laptop. But once I get that figured out, everything's back on track. This is the bun on like in the spot, feel me? About to exit the spot, about to go get a drink of water because I'm thirsty as f. Yeah, man, you understand? Tell a friend. If you tell the next friend, and your next friend, if you tell the other friend, and other friend, if you tell the other friend, say, yeah, man, have the bang and it's in a spot. Make sure you say you click the red rectangle, like you said so, and you red, yeah, click it. Now we're playing clicky.
Better you go your bed.
Yo, bro, you're not gonna click it? Bro, click the rectangle, bro. What's good with you, bro? Stop.